As the second regular session of the 18th Congress opened, lady senators dressed down for the occasion. White became the dominant choice for the dresses worn by Senators Risa Ontiveros and Grace Poe. Senator Nancy Binay opted to pair her white barong with black pants. Senator Pia Cayetano's attire stood out among the lady lawmakers. She had a matching mask. The women at the House of Representatives had brighter colors. Only 3 lawmakers from the House were invited to watch President Duterte deliver his State of the Nation address live. From session to SONA, there were 2 attires for Taguig Representative Lani Cayetano and Zamboanga del Sur Representative Divina Grace Yu. Iloilo Representative Janet Garin was also present at the session hall. Other lady lawmakers of the House still dressed up for the hybrid session, like Antique Representative Loren De Garda, Ilocos Sur Representative Christine Singson Mihan, Nueva Ecija Representative Jing Swan Singh, and Marikina Representative Stella Kimbo. Most of them wore these Araw brooches made by the Philippine fashion industry, signifying hope and unity.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.